Dear students, let us start exercise 11.1. Question number 1. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area. Means एक rectangular piece of land है, respectively means first length is given, so value of length is given. Second breadth is, so second value of breadth. You have to find its area. Second part, the cost of land. If 1 meter square of land cost 10,000 rupees. Let us start question number 1. For rectangular piece, length is given 500 and breadth B is given 300 meter. You have to find its area. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, means 500 into 300, 1,50,000 meter square is the area. Then cost is given. Cost of 1 meter square land is 10,000 rupees. So 1,50,000 meter square land is equal to 10,000 into 1,50,000. You get the answer 1 or 50 crore rupees. Second, find the area of square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Let us start. Perimeter of square park is given 320. If you have to given a method of any shape, you have to put the formula of this shape. So perimeter is given, you have to put the formula of perimeter. 4 into side is equal to 320. 4 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, साइड निकालनी है. सो 4 इधर क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड. 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे, यू गेट 80 मीटर. एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर पार्क, एरिया निकालना है अपने. साइड इंटू साइड क्या है, साइड इंटू साइड. सो 80 इंटू 80, दैट मीन्स 80 को 80 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे आप, यू गेट 6400 मीटर स्क्वायर. देन लेट अस स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. फाइंड द breadth of rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meter square and length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. Let us start. For rectangular plot, length is given 22 meter and area of rectangular plot is given 440. area given है, you have to put the formula of area. Length into breadth, फिट करेंगे. लेंथ 22 ब्रेड्थ के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इस साइड आके क्या हो जाएगा, डिवाइड इट, यू गेट 20 मीटर एज ए ब्रेड्थ. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द फॉर्मूला ऑफ you have to find parameter of rectangular plot. Parameter of rectangular plot is equal to 2 into L plus B. That means 2 into L20 plus 22 प्लस करेंगे 42 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यू गेट 84 एज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द पैरामीटर ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगुलर शीट इज 100 सेंटीमीटर if the length is 35 centimeter and find its breadth. Also find the area. Question number 4. For rectangular sheet, length is given 35 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to 100 centimeter. Perimeter is given, so you have to put the formula of perimeter. 2 into L plus B is equal to 100. 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, इधर क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड 50. पुट करेंगे लेंथ 35, ब्रेड फाइंड करनी है. 35 प्लस का इधर आके किस चीज़ का हो जाएगा, माइनस. तो सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. 15 सेंटीमीटर इज द ब्रेड. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल. लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड मीन 35 इंटू 15, यू गेट 525 5 centimeter square. Let us start question number 5. The area of square park is the same as the rectangular park if the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Find the breadth of the rectangular park. Question number 5. Let us start. For square park, side is given 60 meter. Area of square park is equal to side into side, means 60 into 60, you get 3600 meter square. Then according to question, area of square is equal to area of rectangle is equal to 3600. So you have to put the formula length into breadth, area of rectangle. Length is given 90, multiply हो रहा है, इधर क्या हो जाएगा, divide, 0 से 0 cancel, 9 4 the 36 plus 0 साथ में. So breadth is equal to 40 meter is the answer of this question. Let us start question number 6. A wire is in the shape of a rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape enclose more area. Let us start question number 6. For rectangle, length is given 40 centimeter, breadth 22, parameter of rectangle 2 into L plus P, means 40 plus 22, पहले ऐड करेंगे, means ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करनी है, 62 into 2 124. So parameter of rectangle is equal to parameter of square is equal to 124. Parameter of square is equal to 4 into side. So 4 multiply हो रहा है, इधर क्या हो जाएगा, divide. After dividing you get side is equal to 31 centimeter. So area of rectangle length into breadth means 40 into 22 880 centimeter square. Area of square side into side, that means 31 into 31, you get 961 centimeter square. So which area enclose more? So area of square shaped wire enclose more area is the answer of this question. Let us start question number 7. The perimeter of rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find the area of rectangle. Let us start question number 7. For rectangle, breadth is equal to 30 centimeter and perimeter of rectangle is equal to 130 centimeter. Parameter is given, so you have to put the formula of parameter. 2 into L plus B, 2 multiply हो रहा है, इधर क्या कर देंगे, divide, 2 से divide करेंगे, you get 65. So you have to find length. 30 plus हो रहा है, इधर के minus, you get length is equal to 35. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, means 30 into 35, 1050 centimeter square is the answer of this question. Thank you.